Hi friends, I am so excited because I received this LED Christmas light string. It is really nice. It has a remote control, so you can have almost all the colors that you can imagine, and it is just so nice. Let me show it to you. You get this user manual where you can understand how to install it. It has a electric fuse. If for any reason it is broken, you can change it. And you have all these different patterns. You can download the app and control the patterns of the light string. It is a 200 light string, okay? So it's really, really long. Okay, you see, it's turning on now with a pattern. You can change it with this control, or you can turn it on and off with the remote. Okay, you can change color, different color patterns, different combinations. Okay, and all these options. Okay, let's try it outside in my home. As you can see, you can install it anywhere you want to have a Christmas decoration. We are going to use the remote. First, we're going to turn it off. Now we're going to turn it on, and you can change all the colors and patterns: blue, green, red, white, and different options, like all the colors changing around, and it has this kind of stars, falling stars once in a while in the light string. Look at that. That's really nice. See? Look at that. Really, really colorful, really nice. I think it's a great option for any Christmas decoration. You can give it a lot of life with different colors, all kind of patterns. So if you want to have a nice Christmas decoration in your home, this is a great option for you. Thank you.